Hey, fellow music makers, it's Tom D here, previously known as Mr. Delosier. Back on here again to start doing music lessons with you. Today I wanted to talk briefly about body percussion. We all have rhythm in our bodies, and sometimes feeling the rhythm in yourself in everyday motions can be a really good way to lock in to the beat. So I wanted to just start by walking in place. So wherever you are right now, if you're in a chair or you're on the floor, maybe you can stand up with me. Give you a second to do that. Okay, so we're going to start standing, okay? We're activated. We're getting the music into our bodies here. Start with our feet. We're going to just start walking. Okay, and you're looking at me, so you should be walking right, left, right, left, right, left. Can you get with me? We're walking right, left, right, left, right, left. Can you keep that going? You can say it. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Say it with me again. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And we're going to stop right here. Very good. So we're going to try that again. I'm going to count you in. We're going to start walking on the right side to the left, just back and forth. We're feeling that beat. We're in 4/4 time right now, so we're kind of counting in fours. So let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2. Here we go. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Make sure you're walking with me. You with me? Right, left, right, left, right. Okay, we're going to start counting here. Ready? Starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So you're walking with me, I hope. Hopefully you're not just sitting and watching this. Make sure you're doing it with me. This is what will really help you internalize the rhythm, feel it in your body, and really get to feeling the beat. Okay, so we're going to do it again. And this time we're going to move our arms just like I've been. So you're going to move your arms with me too. We're walking, starting on our right foot, moving our right arm with our right foot, and we're just feeling the beat. Counting 1 to 4 repeatedly. You ready? 1, 2, start on the right foot, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You moving your arms with me? 1, 2. Do it again. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I lied. 4 more times. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, so we're going to do that again, and now we're going to change things a little bit, the counting, because we're in groups of 4. The first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one is the second group of 4. So we're going to say 2, 2, 3, 4. What are we going to say in the third group, do you think? I'm going to say 3, 2, 3, 4. I know this is weird. Finally, we'll do one more. I'm going to say 4, 2, 3, 4. So that new number that's here, that's actually naming the group of 4 beats. Changes what is on this first one, but it's still just 1 through 4. So let's just do that together. You can count with me. You're going to hold up your right hand and take your left hand and point to the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe you needed a second, maybe you got a little mixed up, maybe you started with 1 every time, which is okay, no problem. It's just a way of grouping the groups of 4. We could do 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4. Do you see how that's keeping track of how many cycles of 4 there have been? That's the point of doing that. We're going to just do 1 through 4 again here, counting and pointing to our fingers. Are you with me? So your right hand is up, showing the number 4, because we're in 4/4 time. Left pointer finger is going to point to your fingers as you say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. These ones stay the same. The first beat changes. You with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Let's try walking while we count the beats. Let's just start with walking. Starting with the right foot, here we walk. You with me? right foot. Right foot. So we're going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Make sure you're stepping with the right foot, right, left. I'm mirroring you, so I know I'm starting with my left foot, but you're facing me. I want you to start with your right foot. Sometimes this helps people if it's on the actual side that they're looking at. So you're looking at this. For you, this is right, but for me, this is left because I'm facing you, okay? So if I were to turn and do it this way, it would be like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. See what I mean? So, one more time. We have our 4 fingers, our 4 count, starting with our right foot, my left, your right, this side over here. Lift that leg for me. That's the one you're going to start on, okay? I'm going to count to 4, and then here we go. We're going to start walking, and then we'll start counting. We'll do 4 walking, 4 counting, and then we'll do 4 more just to practice. Here we go. Start the right foot walking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. Ready? We're going to count and point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. Let's just move our arms with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3. We're going to go over 4, 2. We're going to go to 5. Ready? 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Really good work. So one more thing. You notice, again, because I'm mirroring you, that I'm pointing like this. I want you actually to point like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So starting on your pinky. Why? Because music goes from left to right, just like reading a book goes from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll walk with you this way. Let's do the same thing we just did. We'll do 4 walking, 4 counting, and then we'll go on to 5, 6, 7, 8, also counting. Ready? Holding 4 up. 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Just walking. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2. Walk and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3. Come on. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. Really good. So I was just showing you opposite, kinda, although I made it a little confusing. I probably should have done. That part is a little bit hard. Okay, very good. So we got that steady beat now in our bodies. We're feeling it. We're going to do one more thing today. We're going to feel the beats in between. So we have our downbeat here, and that's what we're walking with our feet. Right? And what's in between? Or instead of saying the numbers, we can say the word and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Saying a lot of the word and. Let's try counting that together. We're going to do 8 groups of 4 counts with the ands in between, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, count with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. It's going to be like that, okay? We're going to do 4 groups, 4 counts. 2 with the ands between. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you notice in my left hand, I'm counting the groupings of 4. Let's do it again, just speaking it. Ready, practice, and say with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You feel that off beat. Now we're going to speak it while we walk. Remember, we're putting the rhythm into our bodies. This is body percussion. Starting with the right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That would have been 1 again. I don't know if you're noticing this. I just kind of realized this. When you're saying and, your knee is kind of lifting. So the numbers, your feet are stepping down, not stopping, stepping lightly down. And on the upbeats, the and, your knees are lifting. Let's do it again. And we're going to just we're going to count the numbers with our right hand. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We end on that downbeat. So really this whole video today has been about upbeats and downbeats. So the downbeat is always right on the beat. The upbeats is known as what we say off the beat. It's right in between. If you switched them, you wouldn't notice the difference. Okay, so we have our downbeat and our upbeat. Downbeats and upbeats. Feeling it in our body. That's the lesson today. Body percussion. Starting with our legs again. This time let's do the grouping. So this hand's going to count the beats each time. This hand's going to count 4 groupings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And speaking 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just like we were working on before. You ready? Starting with your right foot. This hand's counting. Left hand is counting the groupings. I'm right here with you. We're going to be fine. It's going to be great. 1, 2, ready. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and let's keep going. 5 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Forgetting to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. It's a lot of counting. It's a lot of words. Last step. We're going to bring this in again. We're going to clap the upbeats now. Really slow to start. So the counting has been really good. We're always going to use counting. We'll come back to that. We'll do it again. Right now, though, well, actually, we can count and clap and step. 3 things at once. You with me? Let's do it. Starting with the right foot. Going really slow. 1 and 2. When you slow things down, it can really help you lock into a groove and really feel it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just start walking with me. 2 and 3 and 4 and counting and 2 and you with me? And I don't hear you counting. 1 and 2 and there you go. And 4. Keep going. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Ready? We're going to bring the claps in here after this. 2 and 1 more count. I don't hear you. 1 and 2 and 3. Here we go. The claps go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. How'd you do? Pretty hard, right? You're going to get it. Don't even worry about it. We're going to keep rocking this. Keep working it. We're going to do it a little bit longer today, and then I'll come back another day for another lesson. We'll work more on these upbeats, these offbeats that are off of the downbeat. The downbeat is always the number, And actually, the downbeat is usually the 1. The other beats aren't as important as the 1. It's really important to feel that first beat in each grouping. Okay, we're going to go again. If you notice, I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just practice that together. Hands out for the downbeats, together for the upbeats. Ready? Counting with me, just 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add the ands. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Add the feet. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and I don't hear you. And 3 and 4. Let's go. 1 and you got it. And 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You guys are doing great. Awesome work. We're going to go one more time and then we're going to be done with this lesson for the day. Okay, so we're starting out right now. Counting, stepping with our right foot. You with me? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Who wants to go faster? Yeah, I bet you do. Okay, we're going to go a little faster. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and you with me? 1. I don't hear you. 3, 4. I don't hear you counting. 2 and you can stop right there. Who wants to go even faster? All together. 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and I hear you counting and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 4 more times. 1, 2 and 4 and 2, 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Awesome job today, you guys. Very well done. Hope you had a blast. That's Body Percussion, learning about downbeats and upbeats. We're going to come back to that and do some more. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.